So guys, I just want to say how impressed and happy I am with the new roller blade guides that I installed. So I'll give you a little bit of an update on those. They're still running good, and I've been cutting a lot of cedar and some red pine, which I have been very impressed with how well they perform in red pine. I know I showed you guys that spruce log, the knotty spruce log, and showed you how well it did with that one. And now I've got white pine on the mill, and I just want to say how impressed I am with these roller blade guides, and I would highly recommend them. Any of you guys that still have the ceramic blade guides, I would highly recommend that you switch to the roller blade guides. So far, I think my overall cut quality has improved quite a lot. So all I have to say, guys, I am very happy with the roller blade guides. I'm happy that I switched to them. I don't think I would go back to ceramics. So that's my experience so far. I've only had them for a couple weeks, but so far, mostly good things. One of the biggest problems that I've had is to get the blade lube properly situated. So if you haven't seen my video where I talked about how I switched to diesel fuel for the blade lube, go check that out. But right here, you can see how floppy this thing is, and it just doesn't do super well. The diesel fuel has kind of loosened up this tube a little bit, so it's more floppy. So that's one of the biggest problems that I've had with it so far. As you can see, if there is sawdust buildup on the blade, it does not stay. So that's the beauty of diesel fuel and what it can do to keep your blade clean, therefore keeping your cuts better. And also, one thing that I'd like to point out is that I have both of my roller blade guides. They're putting pressure down on the blade, so it's got more stability between the blade guides and therefore in the cut. So I think that's one big thing that contributes to the high quality cut, is the blade is being pushed down by both of the guides. So